Hi guys, and welcome back to Herb and Kathy RV. Tomorrow morning here in Arizona, Tom from T's Mobile Autobody is going to be here, and he's going to fix the auto body damage that I did in Mexico a couple of years ago, and then also in South Dakota a few months ago. As you can see, I damaged the side of the RV by hitting one of those yellow poles. You know that mirror? The little note in the mirror that says, "Caution, objects in mirror are closer than they appear." Well, yeah, I thought I was about a foot away. I even looked in the mirror and thought I was about a foot away, and I was only about 3 inches away. So we're going to get this taken care of, and I'll try to document it for you. He's going to do it right here in the RV park, so that's great. Makes it a lot easier for Kathy and I, since we're living in it full time. So here we go. So this is the damage that I did in Mexico when we were there a few years ago, driving over a rock. This next picture actually shows the water bay department where I rubbed up against the yellow pole. You can see how it's pushed in about 1.5 inches or so, 1 inch to 1.5 inches. There's the door looking down, the length of the door. You can see how much it's bowed. And then the door behind that, which is the black and gray tank door, wouldn't close. It got bowed as well. Tom and his crew showed up and parked their truck and trailer just across from our lot, so they were close by to get the work done. Immediately started in with porta powers and hammers and so on to work to get the dents out as best they could before they filled them with putty, Bondo or whatever you want to call it. It was about a 3-day job, 2.5, 3-day job. To pull everything out and get it to a point where they could put some auto body putty in there and then repaint. This shows Willie mixing up the body putty in the trailer, and you can see all the different pigments and colorations they use. It's always nice to watch a true professional craftsman at work. I know if I was doing this, it would be clumpy and dry, and I'd have problems. Here Willie's doing what turned out to be not the final coat. I thought it was going to be the final coat of the body filler on the rocker panel, but he wasn't happy with it and redid it a little bit later on. He's quite a craftsman. Once the body filler is done and dried hard and sanded, then they blow everything down, clean everything off, wipe everything down in preparation for paint. And the painting begins. It's pretty amazing, really. We have 3 greens and a gold that had to be repainted. And to watch Tom do the matching of the colors, and he mixes his own colors on site, and it's amazing how well it came out. We're really pleased. Very little overspray. The spray that comes out that does blow away dries within a couple of feet, and the paint is dry to the touch within about 30 seconds on the coach. So here's the finished product. You can see all 3 greens. It might look like a white, but it's not. It's a real pale green, a medium green, a dark green, and a gold. The doors and the rocker panels, everything's straight, and the color is great. So if you find yourself in Arizona and you need some auto body work done on your RV, and you don't want to tie it up in a shop somewhere, rather have them come out to the park, call Tom at T's Mobile Autobody out of Mesa, the Phoenix area, 602-295-1407. Thanks for watching.